The massive Terra Luna pump burn plan is in effect and it's about to be voted on very soon. You guys are not going to want to miss this exclusive information. Make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Join our free Discord with the second link down in the description below. I think you guys really enjoy the overall community that we're building on there. But other than that, let's get right into this video. Alrighty everybody, here we are with Terra Luna in a new burn proposal that could be going into effect sooner rather than later. There's currently some votes that are going to be handed out on them very soon, and I want to read this and make sure that you guys are up to date with all the latest and greatest information involving Terra Luna and the overall burn ideas and proposals that are going through. So without further ado, let's get into this article and read a little bit more. New Terra Classic proposal to burn 35% of transaction fees gains over 93% support. That's a pretty significant portion of Terra Luna's overall audience and potential holders that are in support of a 35% burn of transaction fees. Let's read a little bit more on the details of this and see how this could impact the price of the coin. And make sure to watch to the very end of the video because we'll have a special surprise at the very end. But another proposal to burn 35% of Terra Classic transaction fees has gained a vast amount of support of the Terra community as they strive to get relatively abandoned LUNC token back to track in terms of value. Before this recent proposal, the one that will burn 1.2% of all LUNC transactions had already been passed with an 83% support from the Terra community, which is very good. We have already a burn in place that's going to be burning 1.2% as far as the taxes go on LUNC or LUNC tokens that are bought and sold by users, and that will be done until the overall supply drops to 10 billion. So that's actually something that's good in place. Now we have another proposal that is being put forward that basically is saying, hey, also, because that's on-chain stuff, let's do some of this off-chain stuff and burn over 35% of LUNC transaction fees. The new burn proposal is targeted at distributing 50% of Terra Luna or LUNC transaction fees to the community pool, in which 35% of that will be burned. 10% airdropped to the developers and 5% for Terra Classic development. Unlike the previous proposal in which crypto exchanges are vastly needed for the implementation, this new one will not need new exchanges because the transaction fees can only be deducted from the Terra native chain. The proposal reads in part, distribute 50% transaction fees to the community pool, 35% to be burned via monthly community pool proposals, 10% airdropped to ecosystem devs, 5% retained to core Terra Classic development, and increase the base proper and bonus prosper reward from 0.01 to 0.04, 0.03, and 0.0 or 0.12 respectively. So that is pretty good news. And really, I mean, this has a 93% support level as far as the overall support goes from the actual fan base of Terra Luna themselves. So that more than likely means that once this gets pushed through, it's likely going to get passed, which is awesome. The more burns that we can get, guys, the more likely we are to increase in price over time. This is just basic supply and demand, right? The less of supply you have of something, the higher the demand is and the more likely the price is to go up, which is obviously what we're looking for here with Terra Classic and the overall Terra ecosystem in general. Now with Terra Classic, again, as far as moves are concerned, we actually have seen a lot of interesting price action in Terra Classic and the general movement that we've seen over the last couple of days. If we go look here, there was a massive breakout towards the upside here about the 0.00008857 level, and even though the overall cryptocurrency market is absolutely tanking right now, I mean, even the big ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD, and well, not Tether and USD, but of course all of the other cryptocurrencies that aren't stable coins are tanking right now. Bitcoin at $27,000 per coin, Ethereum at 1,516, and the rest are following suit. But what's very interesting about this is that Terra Classic is not really doing that. We're seeing a lot of stability with this token right now. As you can see right here, we are pretty much forming a classic bull flag pattern that I'm going to show you guys right here. This is very bullish, and this is exactly what most technical traders who use these types of patterns are looking for in the first place. Now I might need to stretch this out a little bit more, but if we see a significant break above, or out of this channel, I should say, we could see another nice little leg up here in the coming days, or maybe even possibly the coming week. Now that is if everything goes right. We have had a lot of speculative news come out recently about Terra Luna, and things aren't always looking absolutely peachy keen, if you will. But keep this in mind that, again, like I said in the beginning of the video, or really just a couple of minutes ago, Terra Luna at its moment right now is very, very stable. It hasn't pulled back really in any substantial way. So in terms of a short-term day trade, there could be some potential here, but again, do your own research and due diligence before investing in any asset or security. We always tell you guys to do that, and we always recommend it. One of the things I really want to recommend too is to join our free Discord with the second link down in the description below. And also, if you guys want to hit a free stock that could be worth up to $300, hit that first link down in the description below and get signed up on public.com. Not only can you trade stocks on public.com, but you also can trade cryptocurrency. Some of your favorite cryptos are already listed on this platform, and it's an amazing social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying and selling in both the stock and crypto markets. You also can see our personal portfolio on there, and of course you get that free money when you use our link and sign up with them as well. So it's a win-win for everybody. I think you guys really enjoy the platform. I would recommend getting on there with that first link down in the description below. But of course, as well, guys, we have a host of other things that are going on in the Terra Luna community right now. Lots of news to cover, and more news and videos will be coming out soon. So make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post about Terra Luna and some of your other favorite cryptocurrencies as well every single day. Other than that though, guys, keep a close watch on this. I think this is going to be very exciting to see how this plays out in the coming weeks, but let me know in the comments below what you think as well. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.